Ladies and gentlemen, the man I want to bring on stage now is a senior colleague. He's one of the experts we have all the way from Port Harcourt. An Ikwere boy that is making Port Harcourt proud. Ikwere boy that is making River State proud. Okay, now man in B now. All of you know him on Flatmate as Chibike, Rotimi, or Wike, Amechi Wike, or Amechi Wike, or Wike Amechi. But all I know that is the one that will tell you, how are you? So, ladies and gentlemen, let's bring on stage to the microphone the one and only, the wolf of comedy, the one that goes by the name, Dan D Humorous.
All right. Wanna clap well now. No, be make us a problem. I'm even going through worse problems. Wow. So even as in do theater, I still put upholstery just to distinguish between the rich and the poor. Why are people like this? You can't do it like thief. For your mind now, they form event packager. Yeah, well done. No, I greet everybody. Good evening. This is all fine. Oh, very soon one church go rent this place. They don't come already. Is it not our Port Harcourt again? They need to take this kind of place play. Say, how are you? You're blessed. Say, I just noticed one thing. All these people, once they arrest somebody, for this country, when people they talk, say, I know well, make you not say they are no well, now only crazy. Some of them know really well health-wise. If not, check everybody where they arrest. Once they arrest person, time to bail him. You go, yeah, he's hypertensive, he's diabetic. They arrest Jonathan, SSS. The man where they stand for Jonathan back. The next thing, they say, release him, he's hypertensive. I say, yeah? And you people put the life of my president in such a person's hand? If they should go and buy, it might go court, they will keep president. Now, they don't carry Abakari. Upon how Abakari take be our own small Rambo. This Abakari is diabetic. He's hypertensive. I say, okay, love now, don't they collect sickness? And they wait. The day they go arrest me, my lawyers will come out with their own. Say, release him, he has go no. Release him, he has go no. He has go no. Judge go say, what does he? He's a dangerous guy. He can start spreading it. Everybody, they crazy. And Nigerians know well, the way they to hungry us to come out for this country, they tire me, sha. Somebody posted the other day for Twitter, say, as this war they happen for Ukraine, say, please, we are calling on air peace. Please use your very big plane. Go and evacuate Nigerians there. Please, somebody reply, please, when is our flight leaving? As your upon still while I still won't go. Nigerians are a problem. And say somebody post another thing, say, if you want to know the quality of who you date now or who you don't marry, we could not discuss this Ukraine matter. May they see how we did somewhere yesterday for Lagos. Now then they discuss the thing. This one girl. You saw this girl, see if I don't know someone that they respect and I said, your close mouth. If they ask you, just say, no, I'm a good listener. Not they put mad. That's what they get. Fine girl of us who don't they mad for the girl for the table finish. The next thing somebody says, no, what they are doing is bad. Now me even going to talk the thing self. NATO is betraying Ukraine. NATO is betraying Ukraine. They could have seen what Russia will do and been on ground. They should not have waited for Russia to come. To my mind, NATO is the one betraying. NATO is the one. Next, and I again saying, I saw all these boys. NATO chuku them, man. They need to trust them finish. But make I quickly do something before I do what I'm here to do. For those of you who have children, this is a very serious advice. Because I just think the other day, all those things where you go see neighbor, they call your pikin, my wife, capo, Afana. That's captain of aeroplane. Port Harcourt be this. Before they go to say, my capon. Captain, they fly plane, please. You don't move, go to the other side. I know they are aware. All those way they go to tell your children, my wife, my husband. One guy tell my daughter, I want them. My girlfriend, I want them. Why? Because I remember how that thing do me. That thing messed me up. Get some guy find that when I'm young. Some senior women, they call me my husband. To them, I play. To me, I take them very serious. One of them, they cheat on me on my presence. They use me, they can't find my neighbor. The day they off light. pursue me. That's why I cry, go sleep. For morning, I bone her. My guy too, now so they call her my teacher, they call her my husband for primary 4. When they give him promotion result primary 5, the guy be they cry, no, I don't want to go. I want to stay in primary 4 and die. But how is where they want to leave this country? Mona no live this country upon high day is the freest and the best ever. This is, and they tell you now, this is the only country where you should go airport, you miss your flight, or they don't close door. They say, sir, we are sorry you have missed your flight. Abroad, they will just say, oh, I'm afraid you've missed your flight. Now you didn't fuck up, now them they fear, I'm afraid. Nigeria, once they say, sir, you've missed your flight, just say one thing. What can we do? You see that statement, what can we do? That's the pregnant statement. As a real Nigerian, once a year, what can we do? He says, sir, give me 2 minutes. You go inside. When he come back, sir, do you have 85,000? You say, yes. You go see yourself for pilot seat. The second pilot will give you manual. Take, please, press red. Because me, I don't do them. I sit down for cabin. The 2 of them, they are sit down for cabin. Hey, this country now, the only country we say, if you they come back from club 3 a.m., you police stop you. You can boldly say, officer, Havana, your boy don't high. My girls go sleep. Officer will say, you dey enjoy you. Oh boy, bring half more, follow you, enjoy. So officer, manage this one now. Then go take half alcohol from you. You know, you want to jabba, go, feel free. When you blow, you can say, officer, I think I'm drunk. It's okay, you are going to sell, just like that. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this night is a very important night to me because the young man that we're all gathered here for is somebody that I have seen his growth from far, from the very beginning, and had the opportunity to answer the Halo title mentor at some point. He started just like some of us with a very stupid name. Because even me too, when I start this business, very few people know I had one useless name, Mr. Adventure. That's what I called myself. So sometimes when I think about it, I look my children and I say, how? Would you have been proud of your father? They say, Mr. Adventure is your father? He used to answer Tom and Jerry, him and what? Till today, in name for my phone now, Jerry of Tom and Jerry. I refuse to change it so that I will remember where he's coming from. But he has evolved and he has seen himself in the image and, quoting like Bible, in the likeness of a king. And over time, he has been growing from a prince into a king. And he has done a couple of attempts at doing a show. And this one is indeed in a class of its own. Ladies and gentlemen, he belongs to the breed of original comedians, particularly thanks to the direct tutelage of K.O. Baba. You know, original. No, clap if you're hungry to clap, because this is real. Because in our industry, according to Alibaba, there are Kanu Wankwas and there are Wankwa Kanus. So he is amongst the original ones. He does his best to try to stay fresh, try to stay consistent. It's not easy. When you make it to one point, you have to still keep working to either sustain that point or keep going higher. So we have one task and one task only to do for him tonight, which is to be very receptive, which is to be very open. Let us try as much as possible all the movements around, all the share, all those things. Let's just give him the next 50 minutes to 1 hour, our 100% rapt attention. And I can assure you that it will be worth your time, it will be worth your naira, and it will be worth the begging of the free ticket that you begged to be here. Either way, some people beg ticket, it will be worth the pride that you fell down to beg ticket to be here. Either way, it will be worth something. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Port Harcourt City, it gives me great joy to welcome this very wonderful man, proud Rivers breed, Ogoni boy, you know, because it's very hard to find people who have sense from that part of River State. But this man is one of the very few people after Ken Saro-Wiwa that have sense from Ogoniland. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's do this boy the maximum honor by standing on our feet, hollering as much as we can, breaking our vocal cords if we have to. Make some noise. Put your hands together. Let me hear you shout. Let me hear you scream. I can't hear the applause. I'm not feeling the applause. Ladies and gentlemen, Port Harcourt City, Nigeria, Africa, one of the finest, one of the fastest growing, one of the upcoming, soon to emerge, soon to take over the place. Please, let's welcome the one, the only, wonderfully funny, ebullently creatively talented, Joshua King.